Hello! Today we are going to be studying compound meter. Now, as most of you know, we have been living in the world of simple meter for many years. And this is the world in which the beat is usually divided into two simple parts, which we can count as 1 and 2 and. Even when we're feeling notes that just have one sound on a beat, we still feel the subdivision 1 and 2 and. And of course, those can be further subdivided into 4 parts, 1E and a, 2E and a. But when we move over to the land of threes, we call it compound meter. And in this land, every beat is felt as bum 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 bum, flowing and smooth. And that is why it is so challenging to do triplets when we were in simple meter. Because a triplet is really like a visit from the space aliens of compound meter. And that's why we have to put this special 3 over the top of it to say, this is different. But when we're actually living in compound meter, that means the entire piece feels like it's moving in threes. We don't need that 3 up above the eighth notes anymore. We just all know that every single beat is always felt as being divided into 3 parts. Now, today we're going to be working in patterns of 2 beat measures. Strong, weak, bum 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 bum. Everything in compound meter is weird and different. And one of the things that's different is that the time signature does not tell us how many beats are in the measure. It tells us how many eighth notes are in the measure. So if we have 2 beats in compound meter, we call that 6/8, meaning that there are 6, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighth notes. But 2 beats, bum, 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 etc. When we count it out loud, we're counting the eighth notes, not counting the beat, even though we're feeling the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we look at compound meter, we're very often going to see these 3 eighth notes grouped together. But how do we show a note that lasts for 1 beat? Well, we need to show a sound that is equivalent to 3 eighth notes. How do you show a sound that equals 3 eighth notes? Why, a dotted quarter note, of course. Because a quarter note is equal to 2 eighth notes, and the dot adds half that original value in. 2 plus 1 is 3. So whenever we have sounds that are 1 beat long, bum, bum, we show it with a dotted quarter note. But what about a sound that lasts all the way through 2 beats? Well, we need a type of note that would last for 6 eighth notes. Fortunately, we know that the dotted quarter note plus the dotted quarter note will be the same as a dotted half note. So if you want to write a sound that lasts 2 beats in compound meter, it's a dotted half note. Now, the most common rhythm in compound meter is actually a sound like this. Bum, 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 bum. Long, short, long, short, long. And so when we have that long, short sound, the first sound is lasting for 2 eighth notes, which we know can be written as a quarter note. And the shorter sound is written as 1 eighth note. Well, 1 eighth note is 1 eighth note, a single eighth note. So we can write the sounds long, short as a single quarter note followed by a single eighth note. Quarter note followed by single eighth. We will be using these 4 different kinds of rhythms in different patterns today to create different rhythms. I will give you 4 examples, giving you a steady beat to start. And then you will listen, rewind, and play it back as many times as you need to find out the rhythm write it down, and bring it to class.